My name is Mohamed Dhaouafi. I'm from Tunisia. I'm the CEO of the startup Cure. So we try to empower people with disabilities. For now, we focus on amputees by providing them with 3D printed bionic hands that are customizable and affordable, less than $1,000, but also a physical rehabilitation solution that uses virtual reality and gamification. Being an innovator under 35 means, first of all, a recognition for what we did by being part of such amazing community of innovators from all over the world, but also an encouragement and responsibility to do better in the future, to make the impact we want to see in the world for people in need. So I'm inspired mainly by everyone. Those who failed their project, I learned a lot of that from them. Those who succeeded, there are a lot of entrepreneurs and innovators who are changing our life and how is the world is being, but also shaping the future. But I'm mainly and mostly inspired by people in need, in my case, disabled person, and I guess they're giving me like a lot of inspiration and a lot of energy to make an impact that I always wanted to see in the world for more equal, let's say, world and for more opportunities for people with disabilities.